Hello and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photoshop quick tip. Today we're going to do a quick and easy one. I got a picture here up on the screen, and wouldn't you know it, I got a big old piece of dirt or dust on my sensor, right in the middle practically. And I didn't see it. To be honest, I didn't check beforehand, but took the picture home, and lo and behold, I got a big thing. Now, normally, most people would say that's easy to fix. Just take your healing brush and then size it up, and then boom, you're fixed. And I would agree with you, okay? But Command-Z to undo. Now, the thing is, a lot of times we're missing all kinds of spots that only show up under certain circumstances, or if you're printing especially. You're going to find out you got all kinds of dust and everything on your sensors, because if you have one, I guarantee you have a dozen, okay? And you can't see them well, especially in the sky. But I'm going to show you how to see them really easy on the sky, and so you can make sure you get them all removed. So I'm going to show you two methods. Okay, so we'll do method one, is introduce a curve adjustment layer. Okay, so now we have a curve adjustment layer. I'm going to put a point on the first intersection line, and I'm going to put a point on the last intersection line. Okay, then I'm going to take the first one and I'm going up. Okay, and then I'm going to take the other one and I'm going to go down. And what I want to do is I want to introduce like a sine curve, a sine wave. And you're going to see that we're now going to see things that we didn't see. Okay? I'll say about right there. Okay. Now, lo and behold, look, we have spots here, here, here. Okay? We have spots up here. We've got another spot right next to the big one that we did see. And as you can see, I'm discovering there's another one down here. So I'm getting spots all over the place that I didn't see. Now, if I had just left it the way it was and just did the one spot, all of these other spots would show up when I printed it out or whatever else like this, and they're pretty obvious when you have them. So once you've got it up here on the curve thing, now you can go to the healing brush and you can just turn around and heal away. Okay? All right, so that's method one. Okay? So I'm going to throw this layer away. And now we're back on the image. I'm going to show you option 2, okay? And some people prefer this way. First thing I'm going to do is right click on the image and turn it to a smart object, okay? And now we're in a smart object. I'm going to go up to filter, and I'm going to go to camera raw filter. And now that we're in camera raw, they have a healing brush here in camera raw, okay? And I'm just going to activate visualize spots. And now we can play the intensity, and we can slide this up till we start seeing, we feel we're seeing all the dots, okay? And there we go. There's all the dots. And again, to remove them, healing brush, and there we are. Now everything's been cleared up, and we're confident we have all the spots removed. Okay, so there's your two methods. They're both equally just as effective as the other. Personal preference. Some people like to go into camera raw. Some people like to just do it through the curve adjustment that I displayed. So, but both work equally well. And this way, you'll never have an image come out bad. All right, guys. Till next week, you guys take care.